Do you think that the National Conference has failed to stop the migration of Kashmiri Pandits?
When I said we, I didn't mean National Conference. I said we as the majority society of Jammu and Kashmir, we as Muslims. When I said I will not be participating in the elections, I stand by that, and I was talking in the context of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. Assembly has been degraded now. Its constitution taken, its status degraded to an assembly of union territory, which I call a glorified municipality.
I am joined by Agha Saeed Ruhollah Mehdi, the Srinagar Lok Sabha candidate for Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. Ruhollah Saab, thank you so much for your time. I'll straight away come to the question. Till very recently, you had said that you will avoid the election processes, and you were very thoughtful about the unity in the political parties. Now you are fighting against the same political parties today. Has this perception changed after you were nominated for the Lok Sabha elections?
When I said I will not be participating in the elections, I stand by that, and I was talking in the context of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. And the reason I still say that I won't be part of that assembly is that the status of that assembly, the constitutional strength of that assembly, the constitutional guarantees that that assembly has been snatched undemocratically, and that assembly has been degraded now. Its constitution taken, its status degraded to an assembly of union territory, which I call a glorified municipality. I can't be a part of that assembly, and I think it's for me as an individual. If I be a part of that assembly, that amounts to legitimizing the decisions taken on August 5 and legitimizing the status quo and the status of that assembly. And I stand by that. I won't be part of any assembly elections that gives legitimacy to the degraded status of the assembly. Answering to the question regarding unity, I still believe, and I still try to make my efforts that we unite for the cause which is greater than the electoral competitions. Unfortunately, the atmosphere as far as the PAGD is concerned was not provided by the parties involved to me, which could help me in order to create the unity in the elections as well. The fingers that were pointed and the speeches that were made against National Conference unfortunately started from that side, and with the people who were silent for 2 years after their release, didn't speak against the abrogation of Article 370. All of a sudden, after 2 years of their release, came out of their silence and directly spoke against the constituents of the PAGD. And that created an atmosphere in which the voices that wanted unity to continue, voices like me, were helpless at the end. But I tried for the last minute as well. But having said that, the current competition, as I call it, it's a competition, is an electoral competition. We can have these disagreements, but we have a bigger cause at hand. The objective that we have is bigger than these elections. And I predict and I hope, because the cause is bigger, the entire people of Jammu and Kashmir need to unite and will have to unite. PAGD or some other nomenclature, we will unite if the cause is similar, if the cause is same, and that is bigger than this. Electoral competition does not matter.
Agha Sahab, what problems do you see Kashmiris, especially the youth of Kashmir, facing as of now, today?
As of now, the problem that they face and they feel is the challenge to their existence. The dignity is snatched, the autonomy that they enjoyed, the right to be masters of their own destiny is snatched from them. They have been turned into second-class citizens. Their jobs, their resources, their existence, their faith is all taken away and is under question, under threat. First and foremost, they want to be the masters of their own destiny, as the democracy of India had promised them. They want the dignity back. They don't want to live in a status where they feel they are second-class citizens. This is bigger than any basic facility that we usually talk about. When you have the existential crisis, the sentiments that you have, it resonates, the sentiments resonate, the dignity that they feel they should have. the right to be the masters of their own destiny that they feel to have, resonates with their. That's why I say, in this election, I don't see enthusiasm. I see sentiment, which is bigger than enthusiasm. So whatever has been done vis-a-vis Jammu and Kashmir is not accepted by this population and by the youth in particular. They want that dignity to be returned, and those can be returned to them.
Agha Sahab, what are your objectives and goals if you secure the Srinagar Lok Sabha seat?
My objectives and goals is simple: to tell the parliament that the decisions that you took were undemocratic and unconstitutional, and we, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, do not accept that. We need our dignity back. We need democracy back. We need India to function democratically in all of India and as well as Kashmir. We need diversity in India. We need diversity. By diversity, I mean respect for every religion, every caste, every shade of life, and equal rights for them. We need dialogue within the country with the people of Jammu and Kashmir and outside the country. And we need development, but that comes when we have the dignity.
So are you going to pursue these objectives when you go to the parliament if you secure the seat?
This is my roadmap. This is my manifesto.
आगा साहब, वहीद परा ने एक बयान दिया है, पीडीपी के जो श्रीनगर लोकसभा कैंडिडेट के लीडर हैं, उन्होंने बयान दिया है कि नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने 1987 में रिगिंग कराई, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने एसओजी बनाया, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने इखवान बनाया, और उसके बाद अब आज लोगों में इलेक्शंस की बात कर रहे हैं ताकि वापस इक्तिदार में आए. इसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
उनके इन बचगाना सवालों का मैं जवाब नहीं देना चाहूँगा. पीडीपी हो या दूसरी जमात हो जो इस वक्त अलाइड नहीं है बीजेपी के साथ, मैं उन्हें एक चांस देना चाहता हूँ. अभी भी एक चांस देना चाहता हूँ. अगर वो सच्ची में एक बड़े कॉज के लिए लड़ना चाहते हैं, इन बचगानी हरकतों से बाहर आए. और जिन अशखास का आपने नाम लिया, इन जैसे अशखास को देखे, क्या इन्हें दिल्ली ने यहाँ पे जॉब दिया था, और जिस जॉब में ये सक्सेसफुल हुए कि पीएचईडी को तोड़ा जाए, यहाँ पे यूनिटी को तोड़ा जाए. रिगिंग जब हुई थी तो फिर हम भी जवाब दे सकते हैं. जिस पार्टी के साथ ये एलिगेशन लगाई जाती है कि जिस पार्टी के साथ मिलकर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने रिगिंग की, तो उस पार्टी को यहाँ पे कौन चला रहा था उस वक्त? तो पीडीपी उस वक्त नहीं थी ना, तो तब कौन थे? जिस पार्टी के साथ एलिगेशन लगाई जाती है कि उस पार्टी के साथ मिलके रिगिंग की है, तो जिनका आपने नाम लिया वो तो अपनी प्रेसिडेंट और फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट पे वो तोहमत लगाते हैं. तो महबूबा जी को चाहिए, अगर वो सीरियस है जम्मू कश्मीर के हवाले से, इस कॉज के हवाले से, इन जैसे लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करें और देखें कि इनको किस तरह से जॉब पे लगाया गया है, और इनको अपने सफ़ों से दूर करें. अगर वो चाहते हैं यूनाइटेडली हम आगे बढ़े और बड़े मकसद के लिए लड़े. मैं इस वक्त पीडीपी के खिलाफ या इन तरह की बयानबाजियों में नहीं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. वो अपने सफ़ों को बेहतर करे तो हम आगे बढ़ सकते.
One last question, Agha Sahab, before I conclude. You recently gave a statement. Do you think that the National Conference has failed to stop the migration of Kashmiri Pandits?
I didn't mean when I said we, I didn't mean National Conference. I said we as the majority society of Jammu and Kashmir, we as Muslims. I didn't mean National Conference. I don't know how those journalists twisted those words. I was speaking as a member of the majority community. We didn't fail. The circumstances took us. I mean, we were the hostages of the circumstances. I meant in that context. The circumstances were such that we were helpless and we failed. Was that failure deliberate? No. And when I said we, I didn't mean National Conference. I meant the majority community. We apologize. We, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, we, the Muslims of Jammu and Kashmir, apologize to the Pandits. And we feel morally incomplete without them.
Is the National Conference going to take all the 3 seats in the Lok Sabha election?
It seems so. It seems so, and we are very hopeful that National Conference will win all the.
Thank you so much, Agha Sahab, for joining us.
For such fine news breaks and video features from ground on your mobile phones, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The New Indian, by clicking on the bell icon. Also, follow us on the social media handles on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Cool.